Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Pisces. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect in your relationship. Kuha tayo ng mga strong messages and energies from the Message of Love Oracle for Pisces. Soul contract. The lessons I learned from us will never be forgotten. Okay. Guilty. I feel pain from the damage I have caused. Someone is guilty of the breakup or separation. May realization sa nangyari, mistakes. I wish I could right my wrongs. Yeah. So, merong realization. Nagigilty. Yung isang person, okay? Is this you, Pisces, or your person? Okay. Shadow side. You made me realize my flaws. Yeah. Okay. Parang maraming gustong sabihin sa inyo yung person ninyo, Pisces. You are in separation or magkalayo kayo. Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan, okay? For some, walang communication. Tingnan natin, Lover, Oracle, strong energies and messages for Pisces, please. Pisces, on love and romance. I wish to be like you. I wish I could understand you. Okay. Wish niya na maging ikaw na malawak ang pangunawa, Pisces. Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan sa sitwasyon. I don't want to be who I used to be. You deserve better. Okay? I don't know where to start. Okay. Parang merong pagsisisi. The person is regretting on something. Nagsisisi na iniwan ka or hindi inayos or finix yung situation, kung ano yung problema or kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, Pisces. Okay? Walang unity, you're not seeing eye to eye. Magkaiba kayo ng pananaw. Or magkaiba kayo ng mga priorities. For Pisces, please let us see ano yung mga messages for Pisces from the tarot. Bottom of the deck, the Three of Wands. So Pisces, you are looking forward to something better. Okay, better future. You are thinking about your work. Ano yung pupuntahan mo? Okay, your next endeavor, Pisces. Okay. Mahal ka ng person mo, Pisces. Okay, parang hindi lang siya ganun ka-expressive. Pero yung person mo is understanding. Okay. And kailangan niya ng attention mo. Yeah. He is longing for your kindness and attention, Pisces, towards him or her. Okay? Parang hindi niya alam. Parang walang clarity sa situation ngayon. Parang nawawala na siya ng confidence sa relationship. Pair of Swords, yes. Nag-iisip siya, bakit kaya hindi ako... Nag-iisip siya ng mga plans. Nag-iisip siya ng mga reasons kung bakit merong gap, okay, sa relationship. Maybe for some of you, hindi kayo nag-uusap. Yes. Okay. Here you are, Pisces. You are looking forward. Or iniisip mo ano yung mga paraan. Okay. Ano yung mga paparating magagandang ano yung mga magagandang mangyayari sa inyo in the future. You're thinking about your coins, about your work. For some of you, yes, you are looking for some opportunities. Okay, you are driven. Parang determinado ka sa iyong future about your work, about your coins, about your development, self-development. Yes. Okay. Yeah. You're looking for your independence, Pisces, for some of you. But there is someone here. Okay. Maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces. Okay. But this is Scorpio, King of Cups, Queen of Swords, Libra, Gemini. Okay. There is someone na gustong makipag-ayos sa'yo or gustong lumapit, gustong makipag-close. They feel something about you, Pisces. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, the High Priestess. Yeah, there is someone na may gusto sa'yo. Okay? Sikreto. Hindi sinasabi. But mahal ka ng person nito. May special feelings siya sa inyo. Okay? Gusto niya maging okay kayo. Merong closeness, merong friendship. Okay? Or maybe this person, for some of you, really wants to have a relationship with you. Okay? Pero this person, he's keeping some information with him or her. Okay? He knows a lot about you. Okay? And bago siya gumawa ng action, he or she is being careful. Okay? So, very disappointed yung person ninyo. Okay? Or this person. Parang hindi niya alam kung ano yung gagawin niya. Okay? Nag-iisip siya, negative thoughts, naguguluhan, confused. Yeah. Yeah, because you are too focused sa work mo, sa coins, sa money, career. or trabaho. Okay? So, may mga kailangang desisyon na gagawin, Pisces. May kailangan kang gawin or na desisyon. Yeah. This person is thinking about moving forward. Gusto ka niya. Okay. Nag-iisip siya ng paraan how to get you. Okay. Or paano maging close sa'yo. Paano makuha ang iyong atensyon. Okay. Movement. Yeah. Maybe this person wants to go with you. Baka puntahan ka. Okay? There is a chariot. Nag-iisip siya. He or she is thinking about that. Pasyalan ka, bisitahin. Because disappointed siya sa situation. Sa dynamics ng relationship. Okay? For some of you, this person ina-admire ka niya from afar. Okay? He wants to know more about you. Yeah. This person wants your attention. Yes. And he is heartbroken, disappointed because maybe you're not giving that to him or her because you are focusing on your work, on your coins. Thinking about your future, how to better yourself. Okay, there is self-independence or independence in you. Yeah. So you need to improve and focus first on yourself, Pisces. Not on the relationship. Okay? But this person, gusto ka niya. Okay? This will not resonate to everybody. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, Pisces. Okay? Depende sa inyong situation. These are the energies. Yeah, Page of Cups. Yeah. Yeah. You're thinking about investment, okay? Investing to something. So yung focus mo is about pananalapi, material wealth, careers or success sa work. Okay, sa money. You're thinking about that. Yeah. For some of you, you feel that this person, okay, gusto ka niya. Gusto niyang makipag-usap sa inyo. Yung somehow heartwarming na mga pag-uusap. Okay? Yeah, you feel that person wants to talk to you. Okay? Face to face. Na magiging umpisa or start ng isang mas malalim na relationship or pagkakaintindihan. Okay, this is for some of you. You feel that way to this person. Oops. Knight of Wands. For some of you, Pisces, you feel burdened or parang parang nasi-stress ka na, okay, sa pinapakita ng taong ito, sa kanyang mga action, sa kanyang mga paramdam, Knight of Wands. You feel that this person is very driven to you, okay, in terms of actions. And you feel stressed about it. Okay. But you know this person, parang hindi kanya titigilan, okay, hanggat hindi niya nakukuha ang kanyang gusto. Okay, that's for Pisces, for some of you. Okay. Yeah. This person intends to amend or fix whatever na gap na meron kayong dalawa. Kung hindi kayo nag-uusap, okay? Kasi nag-iisip siya, nag-overthink. Frustrated siya or disappointed in you. Yeah. The Emperor. Yeah. For some of you, you are going to make a decision. Yeah. About this person. Okay. The Emperor. This person is mature. Okay. A husband material. Or maybe yeah, you're going to make a decision, and maybe you are choosing this person, Pisces, okay? The Emperor. Okay, yeah, for some of you, you are dealing with two people, two person. Yeah. For some of you, you are in love. There is better chemistry with this person, with the Emperor. Yeah. You are dealing with a person na mataas or malaki yung age gap or yung may age gap, okay? May age difference, mas mature, okay? Mas stable, okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are dealing with a boss also because an Emperor. Okay. May mataas na katungkulan or na role or posisyon sa trabaho, okay? Or sa isang company. Okay. Yeah. Para nagkakaintindihan, merong passion between you two, heightened yung sexual passion, okay? The chemistry is there, undeniable. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Nine of Pentacles, yes. Uphold or value yourself, Pisces. Focus on your independence, okay? Respect. Uphold respect to yourself, okay? Or to the people who are around you, okay? Maging independent ka sa work. Focus on your work, your self-worth, your value. Give importance to your value, to yourself. Okay? Okay? Yeah. And choose also, yeah, choose yourself. Okay? Choose your independence. Okay? Yeah. Choose what is right for you. Uphold your standards when it comes to your personal relationship. Respect is needed, your worth. Okay? Choose what is right for you, Pisces. Okay? Tingnan natin paano pa yung ibang messages for you, for Pisces. dito. Only time will tell. Okay. That's for some of you. Yeah, only time will tell. Focus on your independence. Focus on your coins, your money, your wealth, your career. Uphold values and respect your self-worth. Emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. Okay, that's for you. Time. You are trying too hard. Give it time. Okay? Take a break. Don't push yourself too hard, Pisces. Okay? Let go of control issues. You cannot control everything. Okay? Relax. Be patient. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa'yo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!